So what I'm doing right now is prepping the glass before I even start working on this vehicle. I'll prep it, check it, review it, make sure there's no damage, no distortions or anything, and then clean it, get it ready. Then I'll take everything apart on that and cut out that windshield. So spray glass cleaner on there, scuff it a little bit with Scotch-Brite, make sure it's clean, no contaminants. Scuffing it gives it a better adhesive surface as well. And as you can see, pretty dirty. Make sure it's all nice and clean. You pay for a brand new windshield, you want to get in, look out, and then you want it to be nice and clean. You want it to be like spotless. Just like that.